Hello, my name is Wolf, and well, I just want to make a video about me. Well, you see, I'm half British, but I live in Houston. I love to roleplay. I love animals, of course. Let me see. I have a crazy neighbor. Hmm. Well, I love to draw. I'm not the best there. I'm actually pretty horrible. Let me see. I like Jacob Lattimore. He's pretty good. I like Taylor Swift. I like the song Bring Me to Life. I can't really pronounce the band's name. I like anime. I love to draw it. I'm actually a little good. This was probably the best. Don't know. But it's her name is Wolfie. My character. That's how I look like. And that's what I look like. So yeah, I have glasses too. I have a little bit of curly hair, but not a lot. Really, seriously, not a lot of curly hair. I just curled the front. And if I don't curl it or a little straighten it, then it goes crazy frizzy. It's kind of weird. Alright, well, my name's Wolf, and it was really nice meeting you, watching this video. Thank you. Don't forget my name. Bye. My name is Wolf.